Good morning, friends. Today is day 4, right? Yeah, day 4. Okay, I figured I would start off today by weighing myself, seeing if there are any differences or any changes in my weight or body fat percentage from Monday. So let's go. Woohoo! There are changes, friends. Do you see that? 0.2 pounds and we're down 0.1% body fat. Things are happening pretty slowly, but things are happening. That's super exciting that something is happening. Hopefully we're just gonna keep monitoring that to see if things continue to progress. If they don't, I might have to switch things up or take a diet break. I really don't know. I'll just decide at that time, but right now, since things are actually happening in my body, I'm just gonna keep going with the flow. Okay, really quick, keeping it simple this morning, afternoon, it's almost 2 o'clock now. First meal of the day is going to be 2 eggs over medium-ish, 2 more of those sausage links that I made on Monday, and then about 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese. I already made the plan that I'm going to treat myself for dinner tonight, and so I'm only technically going to be having 2 meals today because I want to go hard on the second meal, and this is actually going to be fast food. I'm going to show you guys how to order keto fast food if you guys haven't seen it already. I'm having this meal and then I'll wait until, that's why I'm eating so late, so that it'll tide me over for that long, and I'll probably order dinner around 6:30, 7 o'clock. And then it should hold me over for the rest of the night until tomorrow. Since today is another one of those lowest calorie days in terms of my week, so. And I will be back when it's time for dinner, guys. It's time, guys. It's time to order dinner. Ordering Five Guys. You can order Five Guys keto style, and you can order it online and just go there and pick it up. You don't have to stand in the line. I love doing this. It's the best. So I am getting a cheeseburger, and I get the bowl. I know some people get wrapped in lettuce, but it's like a huge mess, so I'd rather just have it in the bowl with the lettuce on the side and eat it like that. So I get mayo, lettuce, pickles, grilled onions. I'll probably not get ketchup this time. And then my grilled onions, I'll have regular amount. Pickles, I'll have extra. And then lettuce, I also get extra. Mayo, I have regular. And I'm gonna add that to my cart. 7:30, got my cheeseburger. Gonna be a happy girl, so. Okay guys, here we are. This is what the bowl looks like. So it's 2 patties. I got a regular cheeseburger. It has 2 pieces of cheese. We've got our pickles, lettuce, grilled onions are under there. And then we have our mayo. They put it on the side for you so you can just kind of slather it on. And I just kind of like layer stuff up and take bites with my fork and knife. All right, I'm about to go in so hard on this. I'm really, really hungry right now. And it's almost 8 o'clock, so this will be my last meal of the day. And tomorrow is day 5. Yeah. Another day, another breakfast of pancakes and sausage. You guys probably think I'm so boring. I'm not kidding you when I say I literally eat the same stuff every single week. It just works for me. I am having something different for dinner though, so I will check back in with you guys when it's time for more food. I just got a package from a company called Thin Slim Foods. I ordered their like sampler pack of like low carb items, and they make like breads and pastas and bagels and things like that. So I'm just opening it now. I thought I would show you guys what's in it. I'm kind of excited because this might change what I'm having for dinner tonight. So I'm just opening the package here. I did order these separately. This isn't part of the sampler pack, but they're 0 carb everything bagels. So we've got 4 grams of fat for 1 bagel. It's 14 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fiber. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys can see it or if it's blurry. And then 14 grams of protein. Oh my God. And what really drew me to buying these is that all the ingredients seem relatively healthy. Like they use a higher caliber of ingredients in their products. And so I was like, all right, we will try this out. They are kind of expensive though. I think this 1 pack of 6 bagels was like $8. So this obviously wouldn't be an all the time kind of thing, but for once in a while when I want to switch things up, I figured I would try these out. So in the sampler pack, it looks like we have a loaf of their 0-carb bread, 2 grams of fat in one slice, 0 carbs, and 7 grams of protein. Ooh, and it feels like real bread, guys. This is so exciting. I can't wait to try this. I just hope it doesn't taste like eggs. Okay. And then here we have 0-calorie balsamic vinaigrette. Interesting. I wonder how this is gonna taste. Because all other balsamic vinaigrette has a lot of carbs in it. Yeah, so I wonder what they put in this to kind of substitute that. And then here we have low-carb pasta fettuccine. Oh my god, I'm so excited about the pasta. We have 0.5 grams of fat. This one has 4 grams of carbs per serving and 4 grams of protein. And there's 4 servings per container, so 1/4 of this. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I'm definitely going to try this tonight. I think I'm gonna make shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then we have a few of their goodies in here. They're like snacks. Right here we have a vanilla cookie, 1 gram of fat. This has 2 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein. Vanilla muffin is, again, 2 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein. I wonder if these are like the same exact thing. One's just like a cookie shape and one. That's kind of funny. And then we have, what is this? An almond square. And this again, 2 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat. Oh my god, this is so exciting. And same thing here for the brownie. I'm very interested to see if this tastes like an actual brownie, so wow, I'm pumped. Okay, I'm so ready to show you guys what we're having. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna have shrimp fettuccine Alfredo, so I've got my shrimps here, ready to go. And then we've got Alfredo sauce, the Bartoli kind. It literally has only 2 grams of carbs per 1/4 cup serving. And then I'm gonna try that low-carb pasta and then regular pasta for Mike. And then I'm pairing that with some sauteed kale. So I saute some kale, add some chicken broth and some garlic, and saute that in olive oil. And then I'm going to cook up the shrimp with garlic and butter, and then add everything together once it's done. Oh my goodness, guys, look at how good it looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this. Alright, I am ready to dig in. Can you believe that I'm actually having keto fettuccine Alfredo right now? I cannot believe it. It's blowing my mind. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, it's the end of the night and I still have some calories left. I had like 350 actually, so I'm having 2 very calorie dense foods, but they both fit right into my macros. I didn't go over on anything. I have a half cup, or not half cup, I have a 1/4 cup of pecan halves, and then I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of this Peter Pan creamy peanut butter, and then that's it for the night. Today is going to be day 6 of the eating keto video. I was just going through the footage and realized that I was missing a day 6. So I'm here a week later filling that in for you guys, and my first meal of the day is going to be this chocolate raspberry ice cream protein thing. Basically what it is 1 cup of that coconut milk, 1.5 scoops of the chocolate Vega protein powder, 1 cup of frozen raspberries, and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. I just put that through my food processor and then popped it into the freezer for a little while to give it a little bit more of a thicker consistency, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay guys, so this is my next meal of the day. It's really just kind of snacks and like random stuff, as you guys can see. I have an ounce of mozzarella cheese here. I have a carrot, and I'm going to dip that in some of this ranch veggie dip. I'm also going to have 2 eggs cooked in olive oil, and that's going to tide me over until dinner tonight. It's officially time for dinner on day 6. Let me show you guys what I'm having to finish off the night. So here I have 4 to 6 ounces of cod that's cooked in lemon butter. I already ate my salad with avocado oil dressing on it, and then I'm going to finish off the night with 1/4 cup of pecan halves. That's it for day 6, guys. Okay friends, so today is the final day of full day of eating. This is going to be my carb day. I decided to wait and do like a typical carb day for you guys for when I'm eating at home, because it's not really a great way of showing you guys how to eat when I had my bridal shower and when I was eating out. Yesterday was the 4th of July, so today I'm just making a typical regular high carb day eating at home. So I'll show you guys what that is. I'm starting with my first meal of the day. It's 12:55. I'm going to have maple and brown sugar oatmeal and a protein shake, but they're all sugar-free. So these are pretty typical meals for me, especially the protein shake you guys have seen before. I just use a cup of organic coconut milk, 1 scoop of the Vega Protein and Greens chocolate protein, and then 1 frozen banana. Put that through the blender. There's my protein shake. And then for my oatmeal today, I use the Old Fashioned Oats, so they have to cook for 5 minutes. I use 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of oats, cook that, and then I add 1/2 tablespoon of butter, and then I used 1/2 tablespoon of the Lakanto maple flavored syrup. This, like again, like you guys have seen, has no sugar in it. And then I also used 1/2 tablespoon of the golden Lakanto sweetener as well, so that it would be more like brown sugar maple put together. And then we have our oatmeal. So that is the first meal of the day. And for lunch today, I'm just having a basic little egg bagel sandwich. Just threw something quick and easy together. So that's 2 eggs. We've got a slice of provolone cheese, some ketchup, and one of the Thin Slim Foods Everything bagels. Normally I'd have a regular bagel, but those are the only bagels we have right now, so I just used that one. And that's lunch. Okay guys, here's the 3rd meal of the day. I have some yellow rice, some ground turkey, and a bunch of veggies in here. There's broccoli, onion, mushroom, and corn. And that's about it. So it's just like a little taco bowl kind of thing. And it's gonna be delicious. This is the best ice cream in the entire world. This is the Tonight Dough Ben & Jerry's. This is what I look forward to every single week. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and that is it for my week of eating with the cyclical keto diet. I hope that you guys found some ideas, found it helpful and enlightening, and let me know if you guys try it for yourselves in the comments below, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye!